Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable AirDrop on your iPhone. Now, there are two different ways to be able to do this. The first way is to take your finger from the top right of the screen and swipe down. You can see usually at the top left is airplane and Wi-Fi. If you don't see this, I'll walk you through the second option as well. We're going to take our finger and press and hold on this box at the top left. When I press and hold, you can see another menu opens. And in this case, the AirDrop pops up, and you can see it is turned on because it is highlighted in blue. If I tap on it and it turns gray or just the background color, it is turned off. So make sure to tap on it. After you've tapped on the AirDrop icon and it's blue, you can tap on where it says AirDrop and it might say receiving off, contacts only, or everyone for 10 minutes. If you're AirDropping to or from a contact, you can choose contacts only, or you can choose everyone if they're not in your contacts list. If this doesn't work for you, let's hop out of here and take your finger and swipe down. We are going to search for the Settings app. So type in Settings and tap on the Settings app. Let me go back to the beginning of the settings. From here, scroll down, tap on General here, midway down, and then scroll down and tap on AirDrop right there. Similar to before, you can choose to receive off if you wanted to disable AirDrop. Tap contacts only to turn it on for contacts. Tap everyone for 10 minutes to turn it on for everybody. You can also choose to have bringing devices together, share your name and photos, and you can choose to do this through cellular data. If you wanted to share a photo or a video through AirDrop, open up the Photos app, and on here, let me choose a random photo. Let's say this video. After I've done that, I can tap the share icon at the bottom left, and there is AirDrop. Tap on AirDrop, and you can see all of the devices to just tap on to share that through AirDrop. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.